Have you ever felt nervous speaking English at a hospital or clinic?
Don't worry. In today's podcast, we'll help you learn how to talk confidently with doctors and nurses in English.
From booking an appointment to explaining your symptoms, we'll cover it all.
So stay with us till the end, because by the time we finish, you'll know exactly what to say when visiting a doctor in English. Hey, Sarah, you look a bit tired today. Are you feeling okay?
Not really, Alex. I've had a sore throat since yesterday.
Oh, no. Did you take any medicine?
I took some warm tea with honey, but it didn't help much.
Maybe you should visit a doctor.
Yes, I think I'll go to the clinic this evening.
Do you already have a doctor in mind?
Yes, there's a general physician near my house.
Great. How do you usually make an appointment?
I usually call the clinic and say, I'd like to book an appointment with the doctor.
That's the correct way. What time are you planning to go?
Around 6 p.m. after work.
Do you have to wait long, usually?
Sometimes. It depends on how busy the doctor is.
True. When you go to the reception, what do you say?
I say, hello, I have an appointment with Dr. Sharma at 6 p.m.
That's perfect English. Then what happens next?
The receptionist usually asks for my name and appointment details.
And then you take a seat in the waiting area.
Exactly. Sometimes they check my blood pressure before I meet the doctor.
That's good. It helps the doctor know your basic health condition.
Yes, and after that, they call me into the doctor's cabin.
What's the first thing you say when you meet the doctor?
I usually say, good evening, doctor. I've not been feeling well.
That's polite and clear. What does the doctor ask next?
Usually, what seems to be the problem?
And what do you say?
I have a sore throat and a little fever.
That's the right way to describe your symptoms.
Yes. Then the doctor asks how long I've had these symptoms.
And you answer for about 2 days, right?
Exactly. Then they might ask if I have a cough or cold.
That's a common question.
The doctor usually checks my temperature and throat.
Do you understand everything the doctor says?
Most of it. Sometimes I ask, could you please repeat that?
That's a great phrase for beginners.
Yes, and if I don't understand a word, I ask, what does that mean?
Very smart. It's important to ask questions if you're not sure.
Definitely. Then the doctor usually gives me a prescription.
What does the doctor usually prescribe?
Some throat lozenges, antibiotics, and rest.
Do you ever ask about side effects?
Yes, I ask, are there any side effects of this medicine?
That's a very important question.
After the appointment, I go to the pharmacy inside the clinic.
What do you say at the pharmacy?
I say, hi, I'd like to get these medicines, please.
And the pharmacist gives you the medicines and instructions.
Yes, and I always double-check the dosage.
You can ask, how many times should I take this in a day?
Exactly. And also, should I take it before or after meals?
That's very helpful for learners to remember.
Once I get home, I take my medicine and rest.
That's the best thing to do. Health always comes first.
Absolutely. What about you, Alex? When was the last time you went to a clinic?
Last month for a regular health checkup.
That's good. Everyone should get regular checkups.
Yes, it helps detect problems early.
What did the doctor check during your visit?
Blood pressure, sugar level, and basic fitness.
That's important for maintaining good health.
Yes. Do you ever feel nervous talking to doctors?
I used to, but now I feel more confident because I practice English.
That's awesome. Confidence really helps in communication.
Yes. And doctors usually speak clearly and kindly.
True. And it's okay to ask them to repeat something.
Exactly. You can always say, "Could you please say that again?"
That's a polite and simple way to ask.
What if someone has to visit a hospital emergency?
Then they can say, I need to see a doctor immediately. It's urgent.
That's very useful.
Or, please help. I'm not feeling well.
And if you're with someone else, you can say, "My friend is not feeling well."
Yes, those are helpful phrases for emergencies.
Talking about health in English is very important, especially while traveling.
Absolutely. You never know when you'll need medical help.
And knowing these phrases makes you feel more confident.
Exactly. So, everyone listening, practice these sentences at home.
Pretend you're visiting a doctor and try saying the phrases out loud.
The more you practice, the easier it gets.
Yes, and English isn't just for school, it's for real life too.
That's so true. Learning how to speak at a clinic is real life English.
And it helps you communicate clearly in any health situation.
So, Sarah, are you feeling better now after visiting the doctor?
Yes, after the medicine and rest, I feel much better.
That's great to hear. Take care of your health.
Thank you. And to everyone listening, don't be afraid to speak English at the hospital.
Doctors understand if you make small mistakes. The goal is to communicate.
Exactly. Just speak politely and clearly.
All right, that's all for today's episode.
If you liked this conversation, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
And remember, your health and your English both need regular practice.
Well said, Alex. See you all in the next podcast.